Good afternoon, this is Roy Gomitian of United Asset Sales. I am at BURKEM Mold and Machine in Hesperia, California. I came down here to speak with Richard and drop off the signs and see how the guys did in loading the facility up. It's a really nice shop, guys. Take a look and see what the guys did. It's really a nice sale. And we welcome everyone to the inspection on Monday, and Tuesday is the auction sale. All online on BidSpotter. Check it out, you guys. Just a beautiful, clean Fadal machining and MAZAK turning and ENSHU mills. Really did a nice job. Richard has decided to retire and head off to bigger and better things. It's really a beautiful shop here. It's been a long, long time. Some really nice tool holders to go through all the machines. And then over here is the manual machine shop, where you've got the nice looking Bridgeport Series 1 2 horsepower mill, beautiful LEBLOND lathe, its twin sister right there, which is the longer center machine. We even got the manuals. Tracer, opening lots. Then you got a beautiful WEBSTER BENNETT 48-inch VTL. Look at the table on this guy. And then you have a boring mill over here. And you got a really nice BLANCHARD rotary surface grinder here. Look at the chuck. Good chuck. Good machine. And your welding department. And the drill press and some of the other goodies here. This is a nice shop out here in Hesperia, California. It's a great opportunity to buy at auction from a well-maintained, beautiful Hesperia machine shop. Anyways, this is Roy Gomitian. Hope you guys attend the sale and have a good time bidding. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.